Today's video is designed to show you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Microsoft Teams. This is a very useful feature because it helps keep all your meetings, events, and schedules connected in one place. When your calendar is synced, any event you create in Outlook will also appear in Microsoft Teams automatically, and the same works the other way around. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, click on the Sign In button and enter your Microsoft account email address and password. After entering your login details, click on Next and complete any verification steps if required. Once you successfully sign in, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard, where you can access your emails, calendar, contacts, and other Microsoft tools. Now, before we continue, it's important to know that in the newer version of Outlook, Microsoft Teams integration is already built in automatically. That means you usually do not need to install anything extra to sync your calendar. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Outlook interface. You should see several icons connected to Microsoft services. One of those icons will be for Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click it, Microsoft Teams will open, either in your browser or desktop application, depending on your setup. Once inside Teams, look at the left sidebar and click on Calendar. Here, you'll notice that your Outlook calendar events already appear inside Microsoft Teams. This means your Outlook and Teams calendars are synced together. Now, whenever you create a meeting in Outlook, it will automatically appear in Teams. And if you schedule a Teams meeting, it will also show up in your Outlook calendar without needing to add it manually. Let's test it quickly. Go back to Outlook and open the Calendar section. Click on New Event or New Meeting. Enter a meeting title, choose a date and time, and add attendees if needed. You can also enable the Teams meeting option if you want the meeting to include a video call link automatically. After filling out the details, click Save. Now, return to Microsoft Teams and refresh the calendar if necessary. You should now see the same meeting appear there automatically. This synchronization helps you avoid scheduling conflicts and makes it easier to manage work, school, or personal meetings across both platforms. Another helpful feature is that reminders and notifications will stay connected between Outlook and Teams. So if you receive a meeting reminder in Outlook, you'll usually see it in Teams as well. You can also customize your calendar experience by changing notification settings, adjusting meeting reminders, or color-coding events to make your schedule easier to read. If your calendar does not sync immediately, try signing out and back in to both Outlook and Teams. You should also make sure both applications are using the same Microsoft account. In some work or school accounts, your organization may manage certain calendar settings, so a few options could look slightly different. Overall, syncing Outlook with Teams is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and keep your meetings updated automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to sync your Outlook calendar with Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.